All right, here's 19 in section 4.5. And we just want to rewrite this as a single trig function. So at some point, we'll only have one function rather than 5. So with tangent, secant, and cotangent, I like to use those ratio identities. Write everything in terms of sine and cosine, and then maybe things will cancel out. So I'm going to leave sine of t as is, and I'm going to leave cosine of t as is, and then tangent of t. We've learned that tangent is sine over cosine. So in this case, it'll be sine of t over cosine of t. We've learned that secant is 1 over cosine, so 1 over cosine t. And we've learned that cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so in this case, it would be cosine t over sine t. And now, maybe things will start to cancel out. So I'll put sine and cosine over 1, and then let's see, does anything cancel? Cosine and cosine, another cosine and cosine, and then sine and sine, and then there's only one thing left over. What are we left with? Sine of t, and that is a single trig function. And we're done. So for these three functions, if I already have sine and cosine, the ratio identities are nice. And write everything in terms of sine and cosine and see if things cancel. It's not always the best choice, but it seemed to work out really well here. So we can always try and fail and then try different identities. Let me know if you still have questions.